Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rainboard. You are watching Rainboard. Today I am going to explain one geometrical design. I have done a lot of single pattern design. With basis of this, one of my subscriber from Egypt, Africa, from Misr, he told me to explain one design. He gave me a design, and this design is important for him. I don't know why it is important for him, but I am going to explain that design. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's start. To see my single pattern designs, we have to go to my channel and go to the playlist, and there playlists are given, and the single pattern designs are like this. This one are single pattern design I have done. On the basis of this design, he give me the design, this one, and I have to explain this design. And this design is around 3:2 ratio, length and breadth. So how we can explain it, or how we can make it easily? Let's see. I got a paper and I drawn a rectangle 2:3 ratio. In 2:3 ratio, this is total. This is 12 and this is 18 centimeter and 12 centimeter, and this is 2:3 ratio. Okay, now I take the middle point, and how we can explain or how we can make it? First, I draw a curve, this one and this one, and this is total 18 centimeter, and this one is 9 centimeter, and this one is 4 centimeter. And then I take 4 point, this one, and this one, and this is 4 centimeter. Okay, now first I drawn this curve, and then I have to take the line at the middle portion. You can see there, and you can divide at the 4th part. Okay, let's take the curve. Okay, and do the same to the opposite. Good. Now you have to take the line at the middle portion. This is 12 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Okay, done. Now you have to take middle line around this side. This is 9 centimeter. This is also 9 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to start from this point. Let's see. You have to start this point, and you have to take a line, and this one is middle line I already done, and this is the second line. If you want to exact if you want to take the exact this line, the same number of line, then you have to divide first. So I am just casually doing. So let's see. First, then you have to go to this side. Take a scale, it will be easy. Good. Then you have to go the straight at this point. Actually this design is done by string, and that's why he done like this. Okay, good. And then he, after going this point, he goes this point and then continuously done. So I have to, after completing this point, I have to go this point and then continuously I have to do this. Okay. Good. And you have to do the same like manner. Start from this point and you have to go this point and then go to this point. Good. And start from there and just go this line, and then you have to start from this point. Every point started from there. Okay, let's take another point, another line from this point. Good. Then go there. Good. And then go there, and then Okay, I'm just complete two unit and one side, and you have to cover this side also, and you have to do the same manner that I have already. Okay, let's start. So this was the method. This is very easy, and you have to just follow my tutorial. You have to start from this point at first, and you have to complete this, and you have to start from this, and this is the same process. You have to cover this 4 part, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and I have done it, and this is exact the design that given to me. So please comment how is it, and what about the method, and this is very important. And please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon, and please share to your friends, and please keep supporting me. Stay blessed. Thank you.